League, we name World Cup. And no for them no like how we hotter than thermos. Me see, they don't like when get a youth shell the world up. Whoa! Where them a go do ya now? When the men pick them girl up. Where them a go do ya now? Are we still a win? Whoa! Are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win.
Good morning, Wagwan people. Wagwan. Today with mommy. Show me over there stuff. We're gonna get lunch. We didn't wake up early enough for breakfast. Ain't nobody got time for that. We're tired. Really beautiful out here today. Really beautiful. Really beautiful. Huh? Oh my gosh. Out here full though. Baga people. See how beautiful it is, guys?
You carry the cover or something?
Yeah. All of them. Go on inside now. Alright. 1 o'clock is lunch. We thought it was 12 o'clock. Oh my gosh. We're hungry though. Yeah. Guess we're just gonna have to go and chill out. Eh?
I did. They do with my glasses on.
Lord have mercy.
Where do you come from?
Kingston. What you? Big up yourself. Alright. So we got our towels. We're going down to the beach. Our thing. Yes, we're not staying up. Check out the beach. Beach vibes today. Yesterday we did there the pool for a long time, don't mommy? So mommy them afraid for go kayaking, like them say them afraid them turn over in the water.
Yeah?
In the water. I wanted to try it, but they want me one for go. Like seriously? See them when I sleep again.
Seriously?
Yeah, I them just feel weak. You know what I'm talking to Shami? You know for talk. Alright, well, I'll get something at the bar for drink.
So every morning I'm up cause I can't let them down. Always down for the cause, never down for the count. I guess when your stars align, you do it together. You throw the game apart, you put it back together.
Because I want something
I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time in a long time, you know. I'm way up, I feel blessed.
I can't, but
if me never damn bad, me too full of a blood clot. Me can never damn bad. Me wouldn't system me friend a pussy and him watch me for the things that me have. Me can never damn bad. Me still would not put that junk for this. We think I choke me up. Well, you know that to me. None of you was me friend for me.
why I'm in no way mix up in a piece. One bag of nice stuff because we tell you that we want it non-alcoholic.
Give you all the water and stuff. Fair friendship.
So we got with our drink. It tastes like the light. You remember that drink there? Sweet. It tastes good, huh? It's tangy and it tastes real good. It's like a lemonade but not really. It's really nice. It's like pineapple orange juice and it tastes like lemonade. It's like a whole burst of flavors. It's really good. It just tastes like tropical vibes. I'm imagining that this is what tropical vibes would taste like. We got lunch, so I got some margarita pizza, shrimp, vegetables, a lot of vegetables. I got jerk veggies over here with okra and stuff in there, plantain. I got nuggets with jerk sauce on top, very light. And I got this broccoli cheesy thing. It looks delicious, so I got that. Mommy got the regular stuff. Rice and peas and chicken jerk chicken. Mommy, it's right in front of you. Like, oh, you get jerk chicken on the seat. And Shami barely get none. You see me hungry today. Shami gonna like she know I eat, so. Hey, be careful out in front of me. What you know, the struggle. Hey. I've known, you know. Romance. Be careful. You can't lift your head back, Kelly.
Say about one.
Listen, y'all gotta pay me to keep y'all stuff in my bag. I'm dead serious. I'm dead serious. I'm serious, guys. I'm serious. I'm serious. I'm real serious. What accent is that? I really don't know. Oh my gosh! Do I just come to my mind? Can't lift your head back, Kelly. Dirty. Yes, it doesn't feel like it, no? I know. Trying to find this gift shop up here. She said she want to fling that cookie though. She don't like. And run. Alright, throw it now, mommy. Throw it. No, throw it over your son. Nobody knows. Over your son in the garden. It brown. Mommy want to show a cookie. Show them the cookie. Mommy says she don't like the cookie.
The cookie, yo. Boy, a trash. And then, look on it. More than chocolate cookie taste like dirt.
Mommy said the cookie tastes like dirt. What you? Mommy, throw the thing now, no? Just throw it. Be normal. Oh, people might not look. When you look every angle. Mommy, that shit way?
No.
I can't buy that way.
Don't show up on the camera. See me now.
Mommy, it's not that serious. It's just a cookie. It's just a cookie. Come. Try it now. Watch it. No, that was too scary. But let's even get it. Mommy, they look like she fix her slippers and that's a cookie. LOL. Yeah. LOL. Yeah. Mommy, your turn. Yeah. Nina, yeah. What you do? Mommy, yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah, the vibes. Listen now, people. Finally, some dancers. Yeah. Hey, whoa. Girl, let me guys on over here. Remember, tell us, and double. Hey. Hey. Just watch it. I'm gonna bring them on. Well, I know where them are worried. No way. I know where them are worried. When I have a chick now, a child at the world. Better, I know where them are worried. Fly go up in a full woman, in a full. Jeez. And I jumped it again in the pool. That's not what I like. Watch your bartender, Bill Beer vibes. Watch out. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys. So much vibes today. Watch out. Oh my gosh. Watch her now. Watch her. Jealousy.
Encore one more.
I got this drink. I'm not sure what's the name. I'm just making mix up something for me. But it's very much almost like a mojito. It's not sweet though, but it is alcoholic, yes. And mommy got this. It's like, I don't know, it's like ice cream or something in there, but it tastes like Bailey's mixed up with something else. It's really nice and creamy. And Shami got her non-alcoholic beverage as usual. It's like, it's creamy. I don't know, it tastes like bubblegum, but it's really refreshing too. It's very nice. Yeah, alright? Yeah, alright, mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah, enjoy yourself?
Come on,
Oh no, mother 10 times. Oh no, mother bad mind. What's the move now? Over jungle, wicked man thing. Wicked man thing. Wicked man thing. Wicked. Never tried this unrolling man. Let me up the soul in hand.
Wicked, wicked.
Wicked.
What's the last year? Yes, man. You want your Andrew?
Wicked man thing. Hey. Wicked man thing. Wicked. Breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Just come up, you want breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Roast are fried. Breadfruit. Hey! Breadfruit are roast, everybody. Nation, sitting above the breadfruit. Hey! Where? Where am I? I know, right? Them. Yeah, alright. Do your body like a puppet on a string. Yeah, you might make it clear?
Grenadine and lime juice. This is gin, right? So the procedure how to do this shot, you're going to take this one, you're going to put it in your mouth, you're going to swish it around. Don't take it down yet. Put the gin in it, swish it again, and then you take it down.
Oh, Lord.
Trust me, it's better than Skittles, alright?
Oh my God. Alright, hold it good.
Hold on. I'm waiting for the next one because we're doing the next one.
Watch out. It tastes good for you. They're not affected at all. I know, Isn't this beautiful, guys? Like behind our room, a wedding is going on, a beach wedding. That is so nice. Ooh, she's gorgeous. Yeah, she's beautiful. I like it. Pretty dope people. Such a beautiful thing.
I've got memories when I want you right now.
to say I'm at the pastor.
Me come off for people in with now, yeah. Like them invite me. Me come off for people. Wait. What just happened? Wait there. In what? No. Wait, did man start off with you, mommy?
No, look, sir.
Jesus Christ, me look come in and see nobody.
We don't see nobody all of a sudden say you're really here.
No, we can't go back outside again.
No, we think you want to go 20 minutes.
Oh my gosh. Leave me. Oh my God. I'm supposed to be in the elevator, but I'm not ready. Oh, look for me like idiot. That's the damn elevator, fam. Why am you in the left foot? No. Next thing you see, one hand just comes up.
Hey!
And watch. Mommy, come on. People are not. Let's be cool. Oh crap. Oh. Oh my gosh. Ooh. No, that was scary and it's funny, but no, we shouldn't laugh.
I made the best of the moment. Understand?
Listen, we live in tomorrow morning. Okay. I'm now happy. I'm happy that so we're just heading to we're going to the theater. And this will pretty much wrap up the night for us. We're there. We just finished eating breakfast. It's our last day. Well, I'd say that these are our last moments. It's only we have like 2 more hours before to go time. But we had a good time. Let me take a pastry. I got a banana. My belly full. Why is it everywhere? I want to. Oh my God. You can't imagine the pain. Oh my God. You know when they came in.
Somebody else said, oh, she hurt. Banana. Yeah, I like that me mango. No, that's not funny. That's not
Yeah, go see how it's funny when you see that vlog. What? Why? Wickedness increase, you know.
No, me not.
Oh my God. That means what? You're not going in that bathroom, but where you go?
Which bathroom?
Oh my God.
People can't even get like a break. No, me not.
Mommy, me need application with one. I regular she go out with them foolishness, they don't people. I regular thing. I don't want to make you fool you like I'm a white. I tried, but I never get it on camera yet. That's the first time.
Your first time,
Yo, me now wait for the reaction when I do this in camera. Actually, no worry, your time soon come. So we're leaving, guys. Leaving. Alright guys, so we're making a quick stop over here, so this jerk center. We're going to get refreshments and stuff. You say it feel like you want it? Come on. The chicken smells good, doesn't it? No, you look down.
Let me tell her.
You want to go back?
You Travis when him come on there. You say you know want to go off here, yeah, you try to come.
Rating on our food. So no makeup day, super chill. Cause we'll just go home. Mommy them right here. Oh, thanks. What did other juice thing name we used to buy? We used to like when daddy buy. I mistake this? No. Sorry. See, when I put that down in the fridge, I used to drink it out. If it too much down, I just take 2 sips. You know when you just take a nice road trip and you just have cruise.
I bet you know how my little happy time down and that you don't know people. Work. Actually, I don't know people who should have just go. I try to go, yeah, so the things that you have to work for enjoy the time, yeah, that's the things.
Yup.
Thanks to Sobu, you know. If it wasn't she, it would have been, yeah.
Aww, thank you. Should we ask enough for TV? So, I reached back home. It was an awesome weekend. It was amazing. We enjoyed ourselves. It was fun. I'm happy that we took some time away from the house.
Good.
Yeah, so that's basically it for this vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog, and hopefully that vlog would show you how the meet and greet goes on Saturday.
Divine presents the first anniversary. Day party, rap your swagger. Entertainment. Hold up, all them done here. Hold up, that can't carry them on away. Hold up, look that. Hold up, one day. Summertime for the ladies, summertime for the girl them, summertime, yeah. I got a car full of girls and it's going real slow. When man the beats, everybody want go. When pool party turn up like wow, everybody feel happy. Everybody look good. But anyways, who's outside is gonna stay outside. So if you're in, stay in. Because if you go outside, then it's gonna be hard for you to come back in. So we want the party to go on, and everybody go on, you know what I mean? Why you keep on? Why you keep on talking and you running off your feet? Now you know we know that you go slow and you won't speak. Me not see what you doing, you couldn't realize. Somebody take off this and feel with it lies. You need to touch it all, she put in a guy. When I talk about rap your swag, when the woman else will come around, them look for me and say, oh, you're so clean. Them look for me and say, oh. Most of them love me so, them kiss them hug me so. Some say, oh, yo. But I don't know, some say so. Cause them still want. I should think got you up here. Like Mexico, when you pull up in a car. Yo. Some boys say they know themselves. Again, so what them can't know themselves. But I said, I'm going there, man, in the way. We hear them out. Oh, man, know them really, man. Them serve the church and the synagogue. I come with a party. Now, we don't reach the site. We don't reach the site. People are energized already. We don't reach the site. We don't reach the part of the party yet. Boom, boom, now to show them.
Listen, everybody who knows about high-grade sample, big up to every high-grade smoker. Big up on London, Hartford, big up yourself. What's up against the world? I have to choose to feel Yo, what's about everybody who come and come party, because you know, say world boom is in the building. Alright, I'm in the building. Big up world boom, big up niggas. Let me tell you something. Some of them boy you can't take blood clot pressure. When them blood clot get caught, them boy inform, right? To everybody knows they can't win that the Gideon. Everybody knows they not stop on the road. Why? Big up to everybody in there. Big clock come from, put up your hand right now. Anywhere you come from in the world, put up your hand and proud of yourself. Everybody who proud of yourself, put up your hand. Tell us how we live and make it. Tell them, boom, boom.
You're still even if we have to do that. You're still even if we have to do that.
World books and pull up.
I'm a friend. So I say, people are themselves, you know. We have time, we have over time. World book there, the big boat selector. Jaya, real boss, they are the map part. So I say, land up, we need to know the boss, you know.
Say Rich and Talamana.
I'm gonna be stinking rich, bitch, making
I don't know.
See my shampoo, really what's in the streets, you know. Land me, ready? Shampoo. Oh, oh, oh. What tomorrow may bring, nobody don't know.
I won't stress. I know you love me, I won't guess. Because I'm talk about that no stress. They try to stop me, but I won't let them. Be the first to ride and I'll even get I can. Bitch, right up, alright, you let the world know. Born for you like an inferno. I believe for more. Nothing better. I wanna go back to my car, we see it. Wanna ride in your pocket, take a reg.
Oh, no one to write the song.
I saw me go on and me dey find a man. So me sit down and just a move on the job. Money, 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 money.
So boss wanna catch on the side first.
Then me dey find a man.
Boss wanna catch on the side.
Move on the job.
Boss wanna catch on the side. Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Why you so crazy?
Hey, some who trouble them? Me no know how them vex. Buy a one shoes, them get upset. Buy a box food and eat and belch. Them vex, who trouble them? Me no know how them vex. Buy a one shoes, them get upset. Buy a box food and eat and belch. Them vex, who trouble them? Something wrong with your youth, stop watch out me things, me no matter.